Hello guys, what's going on? It's a new tutorial of just basic tutorials. I'm sorry because I couldn't make videos lately. So in this tutorial actually I'm going to be explaining about a new thing called loops. So loops is like you do a command and then you keep doing it again until something happens, or while something is on. So we have the for. First, let's learn about it. Excuse me, let's make it bigger. Okay, that's good. The for loop is you enter a name for the variable like I, and then equals, then the starting number you want to start the loop from, like 1, and then tab up 2, and then the number you want to stop the loop at, like 100. So now what's going to happen when you add the next command at the end of the loop, it's going to say for I equals the number of the starting until the number of ending. It's going to add 1 each time. It's going to keep reading everything inside until it reaches next. If I haven't reached the maximum number, or this variable haven't reached the maximum number, it's going to do it again. It's going to go back here and say I is equal to I plus 1. So if you want to change this number, instead of adding 1, type up after it step, and this is not a command, just if you don't see any color right over here, and then type up the number you want to add each time, like 2. So if you in this loop, if you would type up print I, it's going to type up each time starting with 1 plus 2 each time, as you can see, because we set it this step into 2. This is the first type of loops. The other type is the while loop. The while loop is gonna keep looping, and if a certain condition is still, if it's not true, then it's gonna stop looping. That's what I mean. Type up while, then like a variable like x is equal is smaller than 100. After this, you go here and then do the code you want, like x is equal to x plus 1, and then print x, and then to end the while loop, you type up a command called when. So when it reaches when, it's gonna see again if x is smaller than 100, and if so, it's gonna keep looping. So let's test this small program, and as you can see, it's typed up from 1 to 100. There's another type of loops, which is the do loop. You type up do command right over here to start a loop. After it, you enter all the commands you want here on the loop. And after this, at the end of it, you type up loop, and then we have 2 types: until or while. The loop while is it's exactly like the while loop. So you just say while x like is smaller than 100, and here we can say x is equal to x plus 1. Until is pretty much the opposite for it. It's gonna say like keep looping until this condition is met. So if x is smaller than 100, then I'll stop looping. So that's the meaning of until. It's the opposite for it. So loops are pretty much useful for our programs to do later on things. So this is pretty much everything for this tutorial. I don't know what to do for the next tutorial, but please subscribe and like and watch my videos, and bye.